Alright, this is a Hurco CNC knee mill KMB1. Got the control panel here. A full manual control of each axis. I got the Z axis here for rapid traverse, and then we've got manual jog at very slow. And we've got the X-axis in rapid, as well as manual jog with the rotary dial, with the Y-axis, manual jog as well. We've got the programming options here for different programs. Tape control, table 0 option. Fully operational unit. Air connection, auto lube. Finish calibrating. Can be run in automatic or manual mode.